So what we begin to understand is that we're talking about here some kind of notion about connectivity. It's a way of connecting with the world. It's therefore very closely connected with the rhizome, the somewhat enigmatic concept in Deleuze and Guattari that is a kind of a-centered multiplicity of entities, the way that, let's say, grass grows, as opposed to a kind of striated, controlled weave of things. And the assemblage then is fundamentally about the notion of a kind of connection, connection between the human being and the world. The book becomes a rhizome, an assemblage, a way of connecting us with the world itself. In my own work, I wrote a book called Camouflage, which was really an attempt to try and get beyond the notion that Heidegger has of this very static understanding about being in the world, to move towards a more dynamic, empathetic connection with the world through the term becoming. We become the world becomes us. It's a kind of mutual, reciprocal interaction between ourselves and the world around us. And of course, within that scope, the notion of the machinic is a kind of way of connecting with that world outside. But importantly, one of the kind of the ideas that was central to the book Camouflage was the notion that design itself could facilitate this kind of connectivity between ourselves and the world around us. Well, I don't want to spend too much time talking about the theoretical aspects of this, but I simply want to state that I think we have to move beyond this very negative attitude about technology, about computers, that sees the computer, the technology as a source of alienation, and understand human beings as kind of creative creatures who are always continually adapting and appropriating the world around them.